Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine again with a brand new video, and today's video is all about my mommy's video because this video I have been like waiting to do this video from a very long time, but then yes, due to some reasons I couldn't do it. So today is the best day to do this. I felt that so I've got some pictures of my mommy also. So I'm gonna create my mommy's college days look here because I've been getting these compliments from many of you guys saying that I look like my mom. So I thought that why not try to redo her look, you know, because she used to look really stunning during her college days. As you can see this picture here. So she looks really stunning. So this was her college picture. I don't know exactly what was she studying during those times. I forgot to ask her, I'm so sorry. I think she was doing her LLB or something, yes. So yeah, I'm gonna recreate this look today, and I'm very happy to do this video because I personally never felt that I look like her, but then yeah, many people tell me that I look like her, so I thought let me try this look. And then I'm wearing something what she was wearing, which is very similar to that. It's a sleeveless jumpsuit with a V-neck. Especially for the neck I wore this one because I don't have the similar one which she has. She had really nice designer type of outfits, you know. She used to design herself and then let the tailor know, and then he used to stitch specially for her. Within one single night she still tells the story. So for today's makeup, my face is really bare face now. I've just applied some moisturizer, and those days my mom says that they never applied any foundation, or they didn't have so many options for different cosmetics. So she used to apply this Pond's powder. I have this small tiny tiny Pond's powder which I got from India. So I'm going to use this Pond's today because she always used to use Pond's powder. And for foundation type of thing, you know, they had something called as this snow, you know. I don't know what, Afghani snow something. The name was Afghani snow. If you guys know, and if you have heard it from your mom or something, please do write in the comment section if you know about this snow. Okay, I tried searching for it because I really wanted to see how does that snow look like, you know. But then I tried searching it online. I asked many people, but then I couldn't find it, you know, unfortunately, because I really wanted to see that snow, you know, how does it look, because I know all these foundations nowadays, all high-end foundations, or like you say, you know. But then that snow, she used to have that snow, or Vico Turmeric was her cream, you know, base cream. Fair and Lovely was later on, you know, when I was born and all, but then before that it was always Vico Turmeric or this snow, you know. And then she used to apply this Pond. And today for kajal I'm using this Lakme Iconic, but then she used to use a homemade kajal, which I obviously don't have here. If it was in India, I have a homemade kajal. My granny still makes that. So but then it stinks a lot, you know. So yeah, she used to use homemade kajal, but then I'm gonna use this. And eyebrows, I'm not sure. I think she used to just apply that same kajal on her eyebrows, but I don't think she used to do that on a daily basis. But then here I'm using today MAC brunette eyebrows pencil. So I'm gonna keep it simple. As you see, her brows are not angled, they are just like straight brows, so I'm gonna keep it the same way. And you see her nose is really sharp, and it looks really nice, not like my fatty nose, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna contour my nose today with this Hoola Benefit Hoola bronzer powder. I'm not going to use any contouring, I'm gonna use this one. And for the earrings, she's wearing these simple rings, so I'm gonna use these rings today. So yeah, this will be my simple look. Okay, so yeah, let's get started with the makeup. Take some Pond's powder here, and I'm gonna use my fingers today. I wanna see without any brush. I wanna use this fingers and do this look today. It's good, you know, sometimes. This smells so good. Nothing can beat Pond's fragrance, you know. It's so good. Pond's is the best. So that's why our parents were so beautiful and pretty, you know, because they had nothing artificial. Like nowadays we have so many options, you know. Just to hide my light dark circles, you know. So I'm gonna apply some powder there as well. When I apply Pond's, I feel really fresh, you know, as if I just took a shower, you know. I'm just out of a shower. I feel something like that. Okay, let's go down to the neck as well. I'm not going to do anything dramatic, you know, like angled or much of that. Okay, I'm just going to keep it straight, no angle. I love angled brows, but then yeah, today is her day, so let's keep it her way, you know. So I'm quite done with my brows now. So for the kajal thing, as you see, she doesn't have a kajal for her bottom waterline. She just has it like a liner, you know. So and no mascara also. So I'm gonna just go as a thick wing liner, and I'm not going to do anything much here. Her wing eyeliner is not a very sharp liner. It's just like a cut edge wing liner, you know. So I'm just gonna keep it that way. Very flat edge, you know, it doesn't have the sharp edge. Okay, so I think this is perfect, because those days they didn't have a liner, you know, they just used to use some matchstick, I guess. Yeah, matchstick to do their liner. So I'm just gonna keep it something like that. Okay, so my eyes are done, and then just I'll lightly contour my nose a bit, just to make it look as sharp as her nose. Oh, I always wished for a sharp nose, but with a very light hand I'm just gonna contour it a bit, just for the picture's sake. Anyways, in black and white nothing is going to be seen a lot, you can't see much, but then just for the picture, you know, so that end result looks something similar. That's the reason I'm gonna do this now. Okay, it looks a bit sharp but not exactly as hers, but then yeah, somewhere a bit similar, you know. Such a easy look, you don't have to waste so much time on makeup. It's just so simple, you know. And yeah, she don't have all these piercings, but it's very difficult to take out all these piercings, so I'm just gonna keep them something like that. Okay, so kind of like oily hair, you know, but then my hair is not oily, so I'm not going to do it oily. So for this part I need some curls here, so I'm just gonna keep them. I'm just gonna leave this hair here. My hair is too long for the curls. Okay, never mind, I'll just try to do something. So guys, those days they didn't have a curling iron and all that, so what they used to do is she used to just like, she has told me, you know, what she used to do. I've asked her like, what did you do those days to curl your hair, you know. So she has told me that what they used to do is they used to just wet their hair. They used to put lots of water on their hair, and then they used to like curl them something like this, and then they used to just hold it and sit during their college period time, you know. The whole time they used to sit just like that, so that they get some natural curls, you know, and then they just used to leave it later on, then it will be nicely curled. So that was how she used to curl her hair. Okay, so I've done some jugaad, you know, here just to fit those hair, something like that. Okay, so I hope I look like her now. So yeah, so this is the end result, like how my mom used to look. So yeah, okay, yeah, she's sitting something like this. So yeah, this is my look. Okay, for the lips, let me just apply something, you know, because they're looking really very nude and I don't like those. I'm just applying a tint, you know, from Face Shop. So it's very light and natural. Anyways, my picture has to come black and white, so yeah, this was just it. So yes. And she's quite serious, okay? She's not smiling in the picture, but then yet it's like a really natural pose, you know, so I'm just gonna keep it that way. So friends, I hope you have liked this video and give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends, okay? So yeah, see you again in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.